So I just thought I'd come on here real quick because some of you may know that I have another YouTube channel, and it was a hobby channel. It was about bowed eagles, and I watched them in the nest for like 3.5 months. And I wanted to tell you, like, that channel got monetized within like 10 weeks, and I didn't even do all the like necessary things with the great thumbnails or the great titles or anything. But I'm gonna get on my computer when I get back, but I'm on a hike with Rex right now, my dog, and it got, so far, this one video in particular that I'm talking about in this video, it got 217,000 views. And when I get back to my computer, I'm going to tell you exactly how much money a video with 217,000 views got paid me, because you'd be surprised to see how much it actually pays, because it was I think it was like a 13-minute video, I'm not really sure, but like there was a couple of other videos that did really well, like got 75,000 views, and some other smaller ones that got like 2,000 views and stuff like that. But this particular video is the one that's paid the most, and at 217,000 views, have a guess how much it paid me for the first month monetized. Have a guess, and then when I get home, I'll show you the figures, because it's kind of amazing, just one video and what it can pay you, you know. And it wasn't even that good. It was really about eagles in the nest, their first day of fledging, really, and yeah, it just kind of took off for some reason, which was really cool, because I've actually not been making videos on that channel because I've decided to focus on other ones, like this channel, really, my money channel, I'm focusing on more. So, and then I've got a travel channel that I started before I realised how much I preferred doing the money channel, because it just makes me, I like doing the scripts for them, to be honest. Like, it just, I don't know, I feel like it helps people more, because like a lot of my friends, that they make loads of money, or they've had loads and they just never have any, and I just felt like it was calling to me, because I listen to so many different podcasts regarding money and mindset and things like that, and lifestyle, that I don't know, it just called to me to have this channel instead, with a money channel. So anyway, don't be talking so much because you'll get fed up. But anyway, I'll get into my computer when I get home, and I'll show you exactly how much I made with 217,000 views. So here is my Smith Rock Park channel, and if you look at my popular videos, and it's here, I've got 217 views on the first one, 77,000 views on the second one, 14,000 views on the third popular video, 12,000 views on the fourth popular video, and 10,000 views on the fifth popular video. How cool is that? And then I'll take you right into the analytics section where it shows you how much I get paid. I've got to go and manage videos, and then there you go, it will show you I did 197,000 views in the last 28 days, and I got 2.1 million impressions, which is amazing, and my click-through rate is 4.6%. And let me see what else I can show you real quick. So I had 140,000 views now on that one video, and it's over there on the right, the top videos. And then let me get to the revenue section. Yeah, so then it is 1,787.35 was my estimated revenue for the last 28 days, and most of it was on that video. See, 1,676.17 was just for that video, and the rest of it was just little piddly things for the other videos. Even though I got 75,000 views on that young bowed eagle learning to fly video, I only got paid 65.66 versus 1,676.17. So yeah, it looks like basically I made most of the money on the one video. So the other one with 75,000 views didn't really get paid hardly anything, which I like that video better than the one that got 217,000 views. So that's good. But anyway, so thank you to all my subscribers. I don't know if you're even subscribed to the Eagle channel. We're probably not, because this is my money channel that I'm doing this on. It made more sense to actually have money stuff on my money channel, so I didn't want to like put it on my Eagle video channel, obviously, because it doesn't make sense with the niche and stuff. So anyway, if you have any questions about what happens when you get monetized and any of that, just let me know, because I'm happy to help, because obviously it's new to me and I like to share the knowledge and everything. So yeah, so if you're monetized, let me know how it's going for you. I'd love to hear about your monetization journey, and I'll probably put one of these videos on my travel channel, because I started a monetization journey vlog for that channel before, and I need to finish it off, to be honest. But I'll probably show the entire month pay instead of the just one video pay. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video, and I'm going to be talking about, let me see, I've got an actual list here because I wrote a little script out for my next video already, and it's basically going to be how to save for an emergency fund. So, you know, easy ways to save for it. So anyway, that'll be in my next video. I haven't done it yet, and I've been away quite a bit. So anyway, I'll see you soon, and I hope this helps if you're on your monetization journey in YouTube, or even if you're not, or if you're looking at side hustle jobs, maybe YouTube is for you too. Like, who knows, maybe you can just use your hobby and make it into a monetized channel. That'd be cool. So anyway, I'll see you in the next video.